Hello everyone, this is Derek Bertubin and this is term 13 or 1403, and this is also cross-platform development. And today I'm going to go over a few things, my development process for this week, some things that were challenging, and then I'll walk through the app. So the development process was pretty simple. I took a look at the assignment and what we needed to cover, and one of the things that was the most challenging was just wrapping my head around storyboards. This is the first time I've ever used them. I made it, and they do work differently. And some of the prototype cells, the dynamic prototype cells, do work differently. So old code doesn't really work in certain instances. And I learned that fast, and it burnt my whole day today. But fortunately, I was able to overcome that. So, anyways, we're going to take a look at the app right now, and this is from a fresh install. And what we're going to do is just display the sign up. So I'm going to go CPD, and we're going to do CPD, and we're going to do CPD at cpd.com. Now, this instantly lets us log in at that point with the new credentials, and we're going to test that now by test new login and hit save, and it looks like we're gonna have to refresh, but yeah, we have it. And this is actually it saves the user's username into the actual object and then pushes this up to parse. And we could take a look at that by going over here, going into the users, and we see the CPD, and then also this testing login, which brings you over to CPD. So that's that. The next thing we'll showcase is logging into your app. User restricted data. So let's go ahead and test this real quick. And test restricted data. Now we're going to not share this, and we're going to save it, and now we're going to log out. So here, let's jump into some of those advanced concepts, which we're going to do right now, which is application allows users to skip the login or sign up process and then only see shared data. So we're going to skip this, and it was to test in the restricted data. So we can't see this now at this point. We're not even logged in at this point. If we were to log in, we would be some hash name for our username, test, not test skip. There we go. And some crazy hash. There we go. Now, if we decided to sign in using CPD and then CPD again, we would see this restricted data. So all of that is covered, and so we covered really application allows users to log out, logging blocks access to app features and user restricted data. When I thought about that, it's kind of weird how that's worded, because the app features are, at this point, you're logging in to just see your own data. So if you're anonymous, then, well, if you're uploading stuff or posting things, I mean, there's no reason why you can't actually post it. That's just the way they architected the app. But overall, one other thing that we needed to take a look at is just, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and kill this app, and then come back in and test app launch and save and refresh. So it does. So pretty much everything on this list is what we did. So that's my app. The intent of the app is to create a kind of a social, uplifting, inspirational quote repository. So that is that, and I hope you guys liked it. Feel free to ask me any questions if you need to. Have a wonderful day.